I'm now going to install the motor belt. We'll first wrap it around the motor, the motor wheel. Now I'm going to work it around the back roller wheel that turns the whole machine. You're just going to want to barely get 1 or 2 threads on there, and you gotta just, it takes a little bit to work it because since it's brand new, it's not stretched out, obviously. You just keep working it. Might take a couple times. These new belts are so tight, but that's the way they're designed. Again, you're just going to start with the first couple threads. Didn't get it there, I'll get it this time. Takes a couple efforts. There we go. Now the motor belt is on. We're going to want to center it. We barely just got it on the first couple threads, so we want to center it not only on this belt or on this roller, we want to center it on the motor roller. Everything is all nice and centered. Might take a couple. Just take your time. So you can see it's centered on this roller pulley, and it's centered, I don't know if you can really see, it's centered on this as well. That's the part of the motor that sticks out. That's what the motor turns this belt, turns the whole machine. Take a little bit of a wide angle. So that's how you put a belt on. You just got to work it on very slowly.